afternoon, folks. Big Bo with RVs with Big Bo in Parkway RV Center, and feel like doing a couple of little travel trailers today, guys. I'm sorry I didn't publish any videos yesterday. I actually lost my voice, so we'll try to take it easy today, so I don't lose it today. So we're going to do a quick little video review on this travel trailer that just come in. It's a 13 Keystone Sprinter 327 FLS. Got a cool floor plan, that's why I wanted to go ahead and show it to you. 2 slides. It's a big camper. It's 35.5 feet long. Does have the extreme thermal package, so it is a 4 seasons. You know, a lot of people who are full-timing now, they want an office. Well, this one's got a unique floor plan that I haven't seen exactly like this before. It's actually got a stationary office built into it from the factory. And it's at 35.5 feet long, extreme thermal package. So this is going to be a pretty heavy little or big camper at 8,050 pounds dry weight. But I mean, this thing's the same length as a lot of park models or destination trailers. I'm just hooked into my 12-volt jumper box. Now it does not have an awning, guys. Can't get them. So that's something, you know, maybe when things settle down in another year or so, or however how long it takes, you can get you an awning for it if you feel like you have to have one. But it has an outside shower, DSI water heater, both slides on the same side. Back here on the back looks good. And on the other side, double axle tires look great. Got the alloy wheels. Like I said, if you're looking for something to full-time in with an office, you'll like this floor plan. You got a power tongue jack. You know, you got a couple little cracks on the stripes being a 13 model, which is nothing out of the ordinary. But all in all, the outside of this thing looks great for a 9-year-old camper. And I'll get back here as far as I can. I'm gonna try to squeeze through here, but you got 2. These are big, deep slides too. Looks like you got a sewer flush over there. Not a bad big camper. I figure somebody would want something like this to full-time in, or even just part-time in. If you've got a, you know, a lot of people now are living in their campers and working at home on computers with like insurance claim adjusters and medical billing and all that kind of stuff. Stuff where you got to have a dedicated work area, and this has got it. Right here in the very front is you've got this little desk area, and you've got plug-ins over here. You got drawer space, office chair, everything already included. Got a television on televator, so it's powered. It picks up and down. I don't have all the lights on. My jump box is a little bit low, so. But you do have a sleeper sofa. You got a table booth that makes a bed. You can see lots of storage in here. Lots of room. Carpets look great. I like the big single basin sink. Countertops look great. You've got a, put my light on for a second. 3-burner stovetop. Somebody's replaced a microwave up there at some time. Got a 6 cubic foot Norcold RV refrigerator freezer. Huge walk-through bathroom. Look at this, guys. How many travel trailers do you see with Jack and Jill sinks? So it's pretty much a couple's model, but it can sleep up to 6 if you need it to. And you've got a big stand-up shower, RV toilet. Now, I do have a new mattress ordered for it, guys. It's a weird size. It's a 70 by 71, so it was not one that I normally stock. I went ahead and ordered one. In fact, I ordered it this morning. And hopefully it'll be in midweek next week. So we'll have a brand new mattress in it. Never been slept on, so you don't have to worry about that. And it will fit the frame exactly. Big closet across the front here. That light comes in handy. You can't see my face. It makes you sell better with that case. Solid sliding door for privacy. It's got a 15,000 BTU ducted roof air. I like this bathroom and bedroom area is huge. Of course, you got a lot more space when you got almost a 36-foot long camper than you do one that's like, say, 26 or 27. So you can do a lot more with it. Very nice, guys. $21,900. It's going to include the new mattress. Like all of our used RVs, we do guarantee the slide outs to work like they're supposed to. We guarantee roof air and refrigerator freezer to get to operating temp. So no worries there. And of course, you can check anything else on top of that if you want to. We'll plug it into shore power, our generator, and just let you go through it, do your own inspection. Or third-party inspection services are also welcome. Seems like a real solid camper, guys. $21,900, which is a lot of camper for that price in the current market. If you're interested in it, give us a call, 706-965-7929. Feel free to always call before coming to look to make sure it's available. Financing's available with approved credit and down payment. And we also offer delivery service as well, free up to 100 miles one way for local customers. And we can deliver it anywhere in the country. So if you're interested in it, give us a call. If you want information about financing, delivery, or anything like that, give us a call. 706-965-7929. I'm sorry, guys, if I sound hoarse. Really try to take it easy on my voice. We have no extra fees. Prices plus applicable sales tax. That's it. Easy, simple, done. Buying and selling. That's why we've been in business for 53 years. That's why we sell 500 to 600 used RVs a year. Get some neat stuff in. This is a cool floor plan. I knew somebody would probably have an interest in it with that front desk area. Because it's hard to find travel trailers with stuff like that in it. You can find a fifth wheel, but very rarely do you see a travel trailer. And the Jack and Jill sinks and all that stuff too. So definitely be one set up for a couple to live in if you want a full time with that extreme thermal package too, making it a 4 seasons. Or put up on some property somewhere and have a little weekend getaway. So a lot of uses for something like this, guys. But thank y'all so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And again, link in the video description below to our website so you can see our current inventory of used travel trailers. Not sure what your truck or SUV can tow, you can go to the video description below. There's a link to our free interactive tow guide, so you can look it up and you can see every unit we have in stock your vehicle can tow. We have a lot more than what's on the website. So if you don't see what you're looking for on there, give one of our salespeople a call. Tell them what you're looking for. If we have it, they can send you some pictures and give you a chance to buy it before it goes online. If not, they can let you know when it comes in. Because, guys, you got to realize, we're selling, even right now, we're selling anywhere from 12 to 15 a week, and we're buying that many at least. So we're definitely turning and burning some inventory. And you got to realize, guys, every one we sell, we got to buy to replace. So definitely got a huge selection. We got well over 100 used RVs in stock right now. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Appreciate it. So I'm going to cut it off here because I don't let my voice rest. And feel free to smash me a thumbs up, comment, share on social media, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my Facebook page, RVs with Big Bo. And look forward to seeing you here in beautiful Ringgold, Georgia.